Hey, Color Squad. So it's story time. I had a client come in today and tell me, girl, I need my nails done. I said, I'm an artist. I don't do nails. And she told me, you gonna learn today. So I took a look at her nails. I said, girl, let me see what you got going on here. And she was like, I want the same thing you got on your nails. So I went on ahead, jazzed her up, made her look real good. I ended up working really hard on her nails and they came out really cute. So I'm not gonna hold y'all. None of this actually happened in real life. I just wanted to remind you guys that the Doodle Me Happy coloring and activity book is available in a city near you. Make sure you visit www.getyourcoloron.com to see all of my latest designs. Remember that they're handmade, and supporting me is supporting a local artist. And last but certainly not least, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with all my color shenanigans. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Toodles!